In this video, I'll guide you through how to dispute a charge on Sofi. Whether you've spotted an unfamiliar transaction or just need to resolve a billing error, disputing a charge can be a straightforward process if you know the right steps to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your account on the Sofi app or their website. Make sure you have your credentials handy and ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, navigate to your checking or savings account. Here, you'll find a list of your recent transactions. Take a moment to carefully review these transactions and locate the specific one you wish to dispute. When you've found it, tap on the transaction to open up its details. It's crucial to verify that this is indeed the charge you want to challenge. Now, look for the option that says Report an Issue. Selecting this will initiate the dispute process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The app will guide you through the necessary steps to submit your dispute. It's important to keep in mind that disputes need to be filed within a certain time frame following the transaction. This time frame can vary, so it's good practice to regularly check your account and act swiftly if you notice any discrepancies. If at any point you feel stuck or require additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to Sofi's customer support. You can easily contact them through the app or their website. Their support team is there to help clarify any uncertainties and assist you throughout the process. And that's it. That's how to dispute a charge on Sofi. By following these steps, you can ensure that any incorrect charges are resolved efficiently, keeping your finances on track. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes the process a bit easier for you. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore more resources or get in touch with Sofi's support. Thanks for watching and take care.